What up, YouTube? So we are back with another video today, and we're gonna be playing some airsoft in these woods right here. It's pretty fucking perfect for an airsoft war. So okay, so it's just gonna be me versus KT, and we got these CO2 pistols. They're about the same exact pistol. His is his is metal. Let me see yours. Let me get that.
Okay.
So KT's is all metal, but they are pretty much the same gun. CO2 powered. His might be a little more powerful.
Nah, that shit goes too.
This shit goes too. But so yeah, we're gonna do one game, me versus him. I'm gonna start on this side of the tree. So this tree is the middle here. So I'm gonna start on this side of the tree. He's gonna start on this side of the tree, and we're gonna each go like 20 steps back and then start. And then we each have 15 BBs loaded in the clip, so we get a limited.
Let me check.
We each have like. Okay. Yeah, we each have about 15 BBs in the clip, so it gives us a limit to how many BBs we can shoot.
I put exactly the same in both of them on accident.
Nice, nice. See, everything just worked out today. So yeah, so we're gonna have limited bullets. If you run out, I guess you lose, and then if you get hit once, you're done. So we're gonna do one game with me as the camera. I have this fanny pack here. We're gonna set it up for first person. We're gonna do one game with me with the camera, and then one with KT having the camera.
Stay
so
hydrated.
Yep, let's get into game one. Let's fucking get it.
Drink this
Gang. All right, so I'm going across the tree. KT is over here. D-Man's over there. He's gonna ref for us. All right, you ready for this shit?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna get across this tree real quick. It's pretty crazy. All right, so from here, we're gonna take 2 steps, or not 2 steps. From here, we are going to take 15 steps away from each other. And then I got my gun ready. Should be looking good. What? Okay. So D-Man over there is gonna count how many steps. And let's get it. Ready? Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15. Alright, we're live. We're live. Not too many. Might try and run over to this tree over here. He's right there though. Got you? Alright. I won that one.
Yes, sir. Third and square.
Time for the next one. What?
You need your 15?
Yeah, I need to refill there. Thank you. Alright, so I won that first one. I'm gonna have the camera again this time just because we have the most ghetto rigged thing. So I'm gonna have the camera one more time for round 2. And yeah, let's get it. Hopefully this one's a little longer.
Hope you're ready for an L this time.
Say it one more time.
I hope.
Yeah?
I don't do shit like you're ready for an L this time. You and all your little fans.
My little fans.
Yeah. Who's
Shit.
Team Matt and who's Team Kelsey?
Yeah.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, we'll settle it that way. KT or Wolffey? What side are you on? All right, let's get it. I'm crossing the tree now. Round 2. 15 rounds in the clip. We're ready to take our 15 steps. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go. He's running over there already. I'm behind the same tree I was at. Oh, he almost got me right there. He's taking 4 shots. Should I run over to his side? Fuck this. Can't be wasting shots. Have 5 left. It's hard to breathe with this thing. Here he goes. Get back up. There. I'll run over the tree. I only have a couple left. Oh, I'm out. I'm out of BBs. I surrender, bro. Yeah. So I did take the L that second time. We'll have a third game sometime when I can get something better for the camera, because it's just hard to play with the camera like that. But I hope that was somewhat enjoyable. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for 100 subscribers. Appreciate that. That's awesome.
Team Kelsey.
Yeah, and like, comment, subscribe, whatever you got to do.
I love you too.
We'll see you in the next one. And I'm gonna actually start uploading more often, hopefully. It's just kind of difficult right now, but we will get more shit out there for you. So we'll catch you in the next one.
Toodles.